Wildflowers are a great way to attract wildlife we need in our green spaces. Let us show how you can make your own seed bombs. You will need newspaper, water, a blender, a bowl for mixing, seeds, cloth and some ice cube trays or plastic egg carton trays. First, shred the newspaper into small pieces into a bowl. Add the paper to the blender and add water. Blend this into a mulch that resembles watery porridge. Drain out any excess water from the mulch using a cloth, squeezing firmly to get rid of most of the water. Next, add wildflower seeds of your choice. We used about 2 packets per blended mixture. Push the mixture into the ice cubes or the egg carton to form the shapes. You can use a sponge to get rid of any of the excess water. Leave to dry in a warm environment. Once dry, remove the seed bombs and use them within a month. The best places to throw these seed bombs are in small patches of grass, inside small pots, on a balcony, or throw them straight into your garden. This is a fun and cheap way to encourage wildlife into your garden, and you could even get the kids involved.